So, creating invoices used to take me way too much time. That's why I started using FreeInvoiceFlow. It's a free online invoice generator that works instantly. And the best part is, you don't even need to create an account. Let me show you how it works. First, I just enter the client information here. Then add the services or products, set the price, and everything updates automatically. You can also add taxes, discounts, notes, your business details. Basically everything you need for a professional invoice. And once it's ready, I can download the PDF immediately. Super simple. But honestly, my favorite feature is this one right here. Invoice tracking. After creating the invoice, I can generate a private tracking link and send it directly to the client. Then, if I open the status checker page, I can actually see when the client viewed the invoice. Right here, it even shows how many times the invoice was opened and the latest activity. That's really useful because now I don't have to wonder if the client actually saw my invoice or not. Everything runs directly in the browser. It's fast, clean, and completely free. If you're a freelancer or small business owner, this tool can save you a lot of time. You can try it yourself at FreeInvoiceFlow.com.